Okay, let's start with docking station without printer. SMPOS is already loaded here. We have English interface. On the back we have a variety of ports, and Roman now connected Ethernet cable to computer, but it can be done remotely, installing an adequate IP address of our server. On computer it is loaded post client software, and here we have a products database which is at the moment synchronized with a database on our SMPOS. In order to see it, it's possible to enter a new product.
For example,
Manish. And price, let it be. Let's change the price. Like
answer.
Okay, it will be 110 hryvnias. And we have 34 pieces of Manish here. We'll see if now we have it in database.
Wait 10-20 seconds. Он же соединяется каждые 30 секунд.
Oh, you can see that the communication was completed. We'll see if we have a new good here. It's Manish with a new barcode, local code. We have price 110 and 34 pieces of Manish. You are great. Okay, let's continue. Here we just saw a communication between our server and docking station. So in this way we can change quantities of the products, prices. Anyway, we can change a database here. So what we can connect, other things.
USB.
It's a usual USB scanner, very cheap, like $13 from China. We will start a new check. We will start a new check by scanning products. Let's start. Escape. AN. It means to remove all the previous products from check. We are starting a new check now. After scanning few barcodes, we can see here a changing list of products. We can edit it like here. I can change the quantity like 55 pieces. So you can see we can edit our check here, and later on we can pay. By the way, not all the items are translated. Roman will check later, because tomorrow we had new version of this software, in order to check if all the interface items are translated in English. So now we have to print check. How to do it? It's necessary to connect a printer. For example, here we have a physical printer. It was connected before.
Кабеля нет. Мы ждали его вчера с этим.
Please wait, we will bring a cable. Roman did not prepare well for the session. Wait.